Yo, what's up guys? If you're playing LEGO Fortnite and need to remove someone from your world, I got you. Let's get right into it. First, press tab on PC, or if you're on PlayStation that would be the options or menu on Xbox to open the pause menu. Go to the player list. This is indicated by the people icon on the top of the screen next to codex. This shows everyone currently in your world. So if there are people in your world, they will show up in this section right up here. Otherwise, if they have access but aren't currently in the world, they will show up in this section below. Find the player you want to remove, click on their name, and choose kick to remove them. This boots them instantly. If you want to block them from rejoining, select block after kicking. This keeps them out of your world. And that's it. You're all set to manage who stays in your LEGO Fortnite world. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more quick tips. See ya!